Hi guys, my name is Andrew Schmalfuss.
And I'm Olivia Schmalfuss.
And we are Sweet Sweat Homestead. We produce 40 to 60% of all of our food with our own hands. Most of this happens on 0.86 acres. We also hunt and forage for wild edibles and mushrooms in private land that we have permission to be on.
So this didn't happen overnight. We weren't able to produce 40 to 60% of our food right off the bat. But over the last 4 years, we have been doing small things, little changes, learning skills here and there. And now we can say that 40 to 60% of our food is produced right here on under an acre of property or within a 10-mile radius.
We have 3 objectives at Sweet Sweat Homestead. Number 1 is to provide you an assortment of tools that you can choose from. You don't have to take all of them, but one thing that you can do to make your life more sustainable, to know where your food is coming from, when it was harvested, exactly what went into it. We're going to present a lot of different options that you can choose from. If every 1 acre or less property owner were to make one change, think of what an impact that can have in this country and many others.
And you don't have to be doing this full-time either. You know, we started doing this as college students. We were both going to school full-time.
We had part-time jobs.
Yeah, and we were foster parents.
And we were homesteading.
Yeah, so you don't have to do this full-time. You don't have to have a ton of property, but you can make small changes to make a big impact.
The second thing that we do at Sweet Sweat Homestead is out of our abundance, we provide the local area here in Tompkins and Tioga County in upstate New York the opportunity to buy some of those local products. We sell it for very reasonable prices compared to market value, and we want to be able to provide locally sourced organic products to our community.
The third thing we like to do is talk about sustainability. So, for instance, here on upstate New York, we are not going to be growing coffee beans, but we love coffee. We drink a lot of coffee. However, we know that coffee plantations and harvesting, it's not always done in the most sustainable way. Farmers are not always treated or paid the best wage. In some ways, the coffee industry can be a real problem on our planet, but there are solutions to that. So things like that, we're going to talk about how to purchase products in a way that is better for our planet and better for the human beings who live on this planet.
So all the information that we're going to present to you, some of it is going to be anecdotal because it's just our experience, but a lot of it is going to be backed by peer-reviewed research. So we're going to provide you the opportunity to look through the papers if you want to, but if not, you'll have the sources.
And you don't have to be an expert either.
No.
Anybody can do these things. These aren't things that are really unattainable. Just little small choices, little changes every day can make a huge difference.
So subscribe to the YouTube channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure to spread the word for anybody who owns property under an acre. I was discouraged when I was watching a lot of the YouTube channels or listening to the podcasts where the homesteads have 40 acres, 100 acres.
And people do it full time, and that's their only gig.
You can do this in under an acre, not even part-time. So share it. We want to spread the word for people. We look forward to sharing the information with you. We look forward to hanging out with you and just sharing what we've done.
So welcome to Sweet Sweat Homestead. We hope you enjoy it.
Stay tuned.